this episode of our bolting head retrofit video series, I'll be focusing on indexing. The indexing system of the TR21 was built to be robust. The main tube that the bolting head pivots on features large brass guide bushings and enlarged pen mounts for long life. Also, the pivot incorporates a locking adjustment nut that can be tightened to take up any clearances that occur from wear on the main pivot bushing. Occasionally, the index stops may need to be adjusted for the drill to bolt hole alignment. With this common customer need in mind, the index adjustment stops were designed and built for seamless serviceability. Unlike the OEM index stops, the TR21 features a removable housing for easier serviceability if the stops were to ever seize. The stops for the indexing are also in a maintenance-friendly location. They feature a standard metric threaded bolt you probably already have on the shelf at your mine site. So the days of replacing the OEM specialty fine thread adjuster stops are now a thing of the past. Be sure to check out our next bolting head retrofit video. Thanks for watching.